and welcome to this video of the first group. Let me introduce to our member. First, with me, my name is Teresia Novita Saragi.
Hi, hello. My name is Cindy Venetia Berbuginti.
Hi everyone, my name is Veronica Dewi Panca Hotmarito Manalo.
And hi, I'm Gabriela Teresia Huta Barat.
Let's look to the example. Teresia ran so fast, you'd think her life was on the line. Let's focus on her. Her in this sentence is a pronoun, so it's used to avoid a repetition, and it saves us. And maybe you know that her, which means Teresia in this sentence. That's why the function of pronouns is to help us flow of a sentence and makes them more interesting. That's why we tend to avoid pronouns, that the using of pronoun. Well, as you know that pronoun has so many kinds of differences, and then so it will help us to make difference with another sentence. And what are they? So my friend will talk to you what is the difference and what is the kind of the difference pronouns.
And at this time, I will explain about pronoun. Pronoun have several parts, but I will only explain two parts of them. First, personal pronouns, and the second is possessive pronouns. Do you know what is personal pronouns? Or have you heard about personal pronouns before? Let's study together. Okay, personal pronouns. What is personal pronouns? Personal pronouns is a pronouns in a sentence or phrase that refers to specific person and object and make the sentence simple. One more, personal pronoun is pronoun in a sentence or phrase that refers to a specific person and object and make the sentence simple. And personal pronouns can be divided two major categories: subject and object. I, you, she, he, it, they, including to the subject personal. And me, us, you, her, him, it, and them, including to the object personal. Okay, for example, number one. Nina is a doctor. She works at hospital. Nina is a doctor. She works at hospital. She. As you can see, guys, that she as on of personal pronoun. That she as on of the personal pronoun. And it's subject the third person in the case. And subject in the third person in the case. Why BC? Because if it's still Nina, the sentence not simple. Okay, now let's see an example for the object section. Okay, example. Mila is sick. Let's pray for her. Let's pray for her. Okay, her is the personal pronouns of Mila, and her is the personal pronoun as object, so it's at the end of the sentence. Okay, next about possessive pronouns. What is possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns is a pronoun that show who or what owns something. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun that show who or what owns something. And possessive pronouns do not come before a noun. They stand alone. Do not come from a noun. They stand alone. Okay, for example, number one. This is Finny's house. This house is hers. This is Finny's house. This house is hers. Hers is a pronoun of Fini. Hers is a pronoun of fini and also state ownership. One more. Hers is a pronoun of fini and also state ownership. Okay guys, I hope all of you can understand about personal pronouns and possessive pronouns from my explanation. Thank you guys.
And indefinite pronouns. Alright everyone, first we should know what is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are used to show that something belongs to me or something belongs to someone else. We place the possessive adjective before the noun. There are 7 possessive adjectives. It is my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Okay, we make one sentence about possessive adjective. It is mine. I have a new car. It is my car. My is a possessive adjective and my is the first person singular. Sentence number 2, your. I will give you example. Hello Mark, is that your telephone? Your is a second singular. Your is the contracted with you are. There are some pronouns but different. You are is not a possessive adjective. Alright, number 3 and 4 is her and his. I will give you the example. It is Sarah has a new ring. It is her ring. We can change the his or her in the sentence. His or her is a third person singular, female or male. Number 4 is its. I will give you an example. Here is a house. Its door is green. Its is the third person singular or neuter. And we use its to describe a characteristic of object or animal. Its is the contracted from it is or it has. There are some pronouns but different. Number 5 is our. I will give you an example. It is, we hope that our project is finished quickly. Our is the first person plural. The last is their. I will give you an example. They have a new television. It is their television. Their is the third person plural. Okay everyone, next we learn about indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun is not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. I will give you an example of indefinite pronouns. It's any, anybody, anyone, anything, every, everybody, everyone, everything, no, nobody, no one, nothing, some, somebody, someone, something. Alright, we go to example. Someone throws me a red rose. Alright, we go to singular verbs. It is all, such, but, few, many. I will give you an example of singular verb. It's a such. Such is life. Some of us have a question. How do I use indefinite pronouns? Okay, I will answer it. Okay, first, we must combine subject and verb. Indefinite pronouns and singular verb be used to create sentences that are almost abstract. I think enough from me. Thank you for watching. The next material will be explained with my friends is Gaby. Enjoy!
Hi, so I will explain what is that reflexive pronouns. But before that, I want you imagine to look at a mirror. I want you imagine who is that you see? Yeah, absolutely. I see myself. When you use the words myself or yourself, that's absolutely you using reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are types of objects. They are used when the object is the same as the subject. The object reflects to the subject, and I want you back to the mirror. What do you see the reflection of the mirror? Yes, absolutely. You see yourself. There are more reflexive pronouns, not only myself or yourself, but in reflexive pronouns, so that words as formed by add suffix self if that singular and selfish if that plural. So is this reflexive pronouns table, and I'll be give you two examples from I'll using yourself. Make an example. Okay, be careful with that knife. You might cut yourself. Next, the second, I'll use herself. Okay, Sarah make the meals by herself. Okay, it's the last demonstrative pronouns. So demonstrative pronouns is point out specific nouns and tell you physical distance. So this is the table of demonstrative pronouns. There are singular and plural and near and far. We can see there was that and this. It's singular and have different distance, and this and those. We can see it's plural and this in near and those is far. So we can realize that when the sentence like this, so we use that is my friend over there, not this is my friend over there. No, we're not using the it. And we say these are my friends, Jungkook and Jimin. We don't say these are my friends, Jungkook and Jimin. That's wrong. So it's done. And thanks for your attention.
So thank you for watching our video. I hope you get something for this presentation. And for the last word that I say thank you very much.